Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer claim documents using Allstate Digital Locker. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Allstate Digital Locker app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your Allstate account. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section of the app. Here, you will see a list of your stored claim documents. Select the specific claim document you wish to transfer. Tap on the document to open it for review. After confirming it's the right document, look for the Share option. Click on Share to initiate the transfer process. You will be presented with several sharing options. Choose the method of transfer that suits your needs, such as email or message. If you select email, enter the recipient's email address in the provided field. Add a subject line and any optional message if desired. Once everything is filled out, click Send to transfer the document. If using another method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transfer. After transferring, you may receive a confirmation notification. Finally, ensure the recipient received the document successfully. And that's how you easily transfer claim documents using Allstate Digital Locker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.